Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video, I am doing a short vlog of my trip to Vegas and a room tour of the Bordeaux Lemans suite in the Paris Hotel. We're gonna start with the tour of the hotel room first. This is the lobby at the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. Like I said in the intro, we stayed in the Bordeaux Lemans suite. I'm sure I'm butchering that. Our room had 2 queen beds, and they also offer this room with 1 king bed. It was an extremely spacious room. It was just 2 of us for this trip, but you could easily fit 4 people in here and be comfortable. I mean, if you all don't mind sharing a bed. The beds were really comfortable, and I liked that there were these the benches at the end of the beds. It made it a lot easier with suitcases and putting on shoes and getting dressed, that we both had our own benches. I did like that they had the plugs there for your phone. It was easily accessible. The suite came with a wet bar, so there was a sink and a kind of prep area out in the main area of the room. That's where our ice bucket was. You can see there's a Keurig and the mini snack bar. The mini snack bar does charge you if you lift any of those food or beverages off of that weight. There's a mini fridge. The mini fridge was already empty when we got there. We didn't have to request that. There's a little hallway off of the main room, and in that hallway is the makeup table, which was really helpful for getting ready in the morning. And there is a small walk-in closet with ironing board, dresser, extra pillow, all that stuff. This was a good place to store our luggage, our bags, things like that. There is a safe. I never use the safes, but just so you know, there's a safe in the room. In that same little hallway, there's a door to the bathroom, and the bathroom has double sinks. It has this giant tub, which we didn't use. I tend not to use the tubs at hotels, but it's always nice to have the option. And then there was the walk-in shower. The walk-in shower was kind of small, so if you're a bigger person, I would be careful. The toilet had its own room. Not that exciting, it's just a toilet in a room. And these are the amenities, the little tiny lotions and conditioners and stuff. Our view was trash, for lack of a better word. The view was trash. We barely looked out the window. That's it for the room tour. I hope that was helpful for anybody who's looking at rooms at Paris and Las Vegas. The rest of this video is just B-roll of walking around the Wynn Hotel. I had never been to a Las Vegas buffet, so we decided to check this one out. It had pretty good reviews, and it was pretty good. There was a lot of choices. It was a lot of people, but I would definitely do that buffet again. If you go to Vegas in general, I recommend walking around the Wynn Hotel. It's really pretty inside, and just reminded me of how poor I actually am. This was just a quick video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!